Sometimes you might get this error when trying to access a shared folder within the local network. So the best thing for you to do is to go to the computer where you have the shared folder. Right click on the folder that you're sharing, click on properties. From here, just click on security, and then click on edit. Click on add, and here just type everyone. Click on check names, then you have it there, so click on OK, and you can see now it's here. So click on apply. It'll do the thingy, might give some errors here and there, and we are definitely done. So let's close this thing there and go back to our computer and see whether we are going to get the same error. So double click on it, we can be able to access that folder completely well. So make sure you like the video if it added value on you, and give us a subscription, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one.